Shoutout guys, may napanood akong content creator, content niya about sa wildfires na nangyari sa Los Angeles, California. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nag-research din ako sa akin. Tapos tama nga. Kaya disclaimer ko, ano yung mapanood yung video dito, hindi yan sa akin. Pero bagong lahat, basahin ko muna. Ito guys. Ayan, basahin ko. Galatians 6:7 says, "Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever one sows, that will he also reap." So, huwag nating kukutyain ang Panginoon. Kasi buhay Panginoong Diyos yan. Siya ang buhay. Panginoon ng lahat. Creator of everything in this world. Lahat nandito sa mundong to, nilikha niya. So, pag kinutya mo siya, may kaukulang parusa. Ito, tingnan natin, panoorin natin yung
first half, and the acceptance speeches have been on fire.
Ayan, nabanggit na yung apoy, kaya naisip ko, ang sagot na Panginoon, apoy din. Tara, panoorin natin ang buo yung video.
Who got shouted out the most? Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. And Mario Lopez, host of Access Hollywood, 1. All right. No surprise in this godless town.
Kaya pagkatapos nung kaganapan na yun guys, ito'y na yung sumunod na pangyayari. Panoorin.
No surprise in this godless town.